In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Wix website after it's been published. Whether you're looking to make minor adjustments or revamp several sections, this process is straightforward and can be done in just a few minutes. So let's get started. First things first, you'll need to access your Wix account. Head over to your browser and navigate to My Sites in your Wix account portal. This will bring up a list of all the websites that you currently manage through Wix. It's worth taking a moment here to ensure you're logged in with the correct account, especially if you have multiple Wix accounts. Once you're in My Sites, you'll see all the sites you've created or have access to. Next, locate the site you would like to edit. This might mean scrolling through a list if you manage several sites, but once you've found the one you want to work on, click on it. You'll want to choose Select and Edit Site. This option ensures that you're selecting the right website to bring into the editor. It's a simple click of the button, and it sets the stage for what's to come. Once you've made your selection, you're going to be taken to a new screen where you'll find the Edit Site button. Click on it, and before you know it, you'll be in the Wix editor. If you've never explored this editor before, you'll quickly notice that it's quite user-friendly and intuitive. This is where the magic happens. Now that you're in the editor, you have the freedom to make any necessary adjustments. Whether you want to update text, swap out images, or change the layout, it's all right there at your fingertips. I encourage you to take some time to explore the various options available to you here. If you're unfamiliar with certain features or settings, Wix does offer helpful tips as you navigate through the editor. The editor allows you to click on different elements of your site and alter them as you see fit. Make sure to regularly save any changes you make to prevent any potential loss of work. There's nothing worse than realizing you've lost a bunch of brilliant updates because you forgot to hit that save button. Your progress can be saved at any point, so it's best to get into the habit of saving regularly. Once you're satisfied with your edits, it's time to publish them. Simply click on the Publish button found in the upper right hand corner of the editor. This will update your live website with all your recent changes. And there you have it. Editing your Wix website post-publication can be done swiftly and easily with these steps. I hope this guide has been helpful. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.